On 15th August 1947, India became free. But freedom was never just about breaking free from someone else. It was about giving every Indian the freedom to build a better tomorrow. Mahatma Gandhi once said, "The future of India lies in its villages." And perhaps that future has always been waiting there. For millions of Indians, the arrival of electricity changed everything. A light switched on in a village, and suddenly the possibilities became endless. Children could study, businesses could work longer, and homes could dream bigger. But electricity didn't just power India, it changed India. India has come a long way since 1947, but every generation gets one opportunity to change India again. Today, that opportunity is solar. And that's exactly why we decided not to wait for India to come to us. Instead, we went looking for India. City to city, town to town, village to village, we met the people who power our communities. We listened to their stories, we saw their challenges, we shared their dreams. And everywhere we went, we saw the same thing. An India that is ready to generate its own power, ready to become more independent, ready for solar. And then we started Project SAATH because we don't believe the future of energy should belong only to cities. It belongs to every community, every home, every rooftop, and every Indian who dreams of a better tomorrow. This Independence Day, Rengy takes a pledge to go further, to reach farther, and to take solar. SAATH to India. Project SAATH, powering India's next chapter of independence.